Flip the unit over and use the metal spudger to carefully remove the 4 rubber feet covering the screws. Remove 4 4mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove 2 4mm screws from the bracket. Remove the bracket and gently lift up to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick underneath the bezel. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Gently pry the bezel free using the opener pick when necessary. Remove 4 3mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD screen. Plug the LCD cable into the new screen and close the locking clip. Replace the panel and replace the 4 3mm screws. Replace the bezel and gently push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket and replace the 2 4mm screws. Replace the bottom cover, push down to snap it back into place, and replace the 4 4mm screws. Replace the 4 rubber feet.